Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's Project Life card hacks video, I wanted to share with you guys just something really simple and straightforward that you can do with your Project Life cards to stretch them a bit and add some fun extra bits to your crafty stash. So all you will need are some Project Life cards. Here I have 4x6 and 3x4 and a pair of scissors. So all we're going to do today is cut up some Project Life cards and turn them into die cuts. So it seems really simple, and it is. All you do is you take your scissors and you cut out the shapes or phrases or whatever is on your journal cards. So here I'm showing you one. I do have some extra things that you can add to these die cuts to make them a little bit more special. So we'll go over that here in just a second. So I typically will cut off big chunks of the Project Life card as I go. And I kind of let the paper and the scissors do the work for me. So you'll see as I cut, I'm going slowly with my scissors, but I'm also turning the paper. I find it's easier to kind of turn the paper as I cut instead of trying to turn the scissors, if that makes sense. So if you have issues with fussy cutting, I recommend kind of letting the paper and the scissors do the work for you. And also having a pair of really sharp, small precision scissors is also really helpful. So here you can see I've got one die cut ready to go. You can also do some phrases. So let me go ahead and do this one really quick. Alright, so there is that one. And you can see if you just take your time and move the paper, it works out just fine. And things don't have to be completely perfect to still be cute. So there's a couple of examples. You could cut this frame out. This little doily would be really cute. And then like this little house would be really easy to cut out. And you could even make this home sweet home into like its own little banner, which would be really fun. So just take a look at your Project Life cards. If there are any that have, you know, sentiments right in the middle or big images, cut them out and make them into die cuts. So some more examples I have here ready to go is this one, and then this big hello is really pretty and fun. I also cut out a bunch of smaller ones, and these are from 3x4 cards. The story, this really pretty one. So the options are endless, and then if these seem a little plain to you, we can jazz them up a little bit. So let's go ahead and talk about how to do that. So the first suggestion is if you have a white gel pen, you can add some little white details to your die cut. So this floral one, I added little white dots to the centers of the flowers. And then this heart, I added little white details around, kind of like a little border, and I think it's really cute, and it makes it a little bit more interesting and adds a little bit of a handmade touch to it. If you have any Wink of Stella pens, you can also use, so this beautiful has glitter on the white. This little ice cream cone has some shimmer here on the ice cream part, and then this Stay Wild, I added some of the Wink of Stella to just the little banner part where it says Stay Wild. And again, it adds another detail that kind of takes it up a notch. It makes it so that you can't really tell that these came from, you know, Project Life cards. The last suggestion I have for your handmade die cuts is to use some Tombow Monomulti XL liquid glue and add some gold foiling. I do have a whole video on how you can add gold foiling to die cuts or any kind of paper products, so I will leave a link to that down below. It's one of my more popular videos. It's super easy, it's super fun, and you guys will want to foil all the things. So here on this hot air balloon, I added some gold foiling to the little flowers. I also added some teeny tiny little gold foil dots to some of these flowers on this little wreath, and then I made the little hearts on this little die cut gold as well. So that is it for today's Project Life card hacks video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it gave you some ideas on how you can turn your Project Life cards into fun die cuts. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and do so, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!